Hi guys, here 20 minus 4 square is 16 plus 3 times 5. Here 20 minus 16 is 4 plus 3 times 5. Here 4 plus 3 is 7 times 5. Here 7 times 5 is 35 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 35 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are both are equal priority. Also these addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operation PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations, PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is the exponent. We have the exponent here is 4 power 2. So we have to do this before this operation here. 20 minus 4 square is 16 plus 3 times 5. Here we have subtraction, addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 20 minus 16 plus 3 times 5 is 15. Here we have subtraction and addition. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this one. 20 minus 16. 20 minus 16 is 4 plus 15. Here 4 plus 15 is 19 is the correct answer.